In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a vortex or a twirly face like this in DaVinci Resolve 16 or 17. I'm pretty sure that so far this works in DaVinci Resolve 17, but by the time you might be watching this, it may no longer work. So we're going to head into DaVinci Resolve now, and we've got this little clip that's uploaded to my TikTok, es_gaming, or at es_gaming. Don't have to follow, just saying that is that. I've edited that clip completely different to this, but this is what happens in the clip. I go to him in Hypixel Bed Wars, I almost die, and then I just pull off a sick combo and say in chat, OMG my combo. So this is the clip I've selected that I want the vortex on. So what we're going to do is go to the fusion tab, which is this little magic symbol, and we're going to click on media in. We're going to press shift and then space, and you get this where all the tools in the entirety of DaVinci Resolve Fusion is. If this works for you, consider subscribing and liking, that would be appreciated. That's enough self-promo already. So we're going to type in Vortex, and then this little one here, Vortex, click on it and then press add. You then get this massive vortex already, and you can resize it just by clicking on one of the edges and resizing it. So you then select where you want it, and that's it. Oh, it's like, oh yeah, my frames per second immediately drop when I'm in it. But you can watch it through less laggy just by using the arrow keys. And then I'm gonna, since it's so laggy, I'm gonna quickly save it, well, render it, and then show you it. So it's already done rendering, pretty quick. So here's the clip. And then that's with the swivel face. And that's the... I typed that so slow for some reason. And that is the way you add a vortex in DaVinci Resolve 16 and so far 17. If you're wondering how I got so many coins from guild level, sometimes I get 32. Just do G/G join stainless. It's one of the best guilds ever. Not a lot of people know about it. So that's how you get a vortex swirly face in DaVinci Resolve 16 and so far 17. I'm just going to show you again what it looks like on a person. There you go. If you enjoyed, consider subscribing, liking, all that shebang. Discord channels in the description and all that. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.